I was always taught that cats hate to be rubbed backwards. And what do you know? I get one who likes it. You look like you went out on a windy day, Onyx. What does it mean about your day when you get cut off by a white hearse? It's a hearse. Cut me off on my way to work. What does this mean? Does this mean I'm gonna die? Or just have a really bad day? Oh wow. Look everybody, it's one of my favorite games. Now this game is similar to the game you play when it's wintry roads and it's just nasty weather. That game is called Where's the Road? When, you know, you just drive off into the whiteness and try to figure out where the road is. That's one of them. This one is related. It's called Can I Get to Where I'm Going Without Running Out of Gas? Because I'm late and I don't have time to stop. I don't know if you can see. We're getting down there. The light isn't on yet, though. And I think that perhaps I will win this round. But we'll see. And as for what I'm doing right now, don't worry, I'm just driving on the highway and vlogging. And I have a feeling that's probably illegal. So I'm gonna stop now, but I wanted to tell you about my favorite game. Have a good day! I spy a Packer fan on the back of his truck. I wish I had my camera yesterday because there's some folks that spray painted their snowbanks green and yellow, alternating colors. And I don't know what they did it with, if it was regular spray paint. Probably not very good for the grass in the springtime. However, it's for Team Spirit, it's for the Packers, so it's gotta be okay, right? Right after I stopped filming that bit about the game that I was playing, I definitely drove past a cop at like 10 over the limit. But I was able to stop, and I wasn't holding my camera, which looks conveniently a lot like a cell phone. But in other news, I won. The light's not even on yet. Sorry, having trouble zooming in. 1 for me, 0 for the car. But I'm definitely going to get gas after. I heard this song 4 times yesterday. And this was the first time today, but it might have played when I wasn't in the car. Can we say the Packers won, and they're going to the Super Bowl, and that's why everybody is so excited. I've always liked these suckers. Thought it wasn't gonna open for a second. They make me feel important. I don't know why. Open sesame. I came here for a guitar humidifier, one of those in-case ones, and guess where I got stuck? You betcha. Distracted. Gotta get back on task, get home for dinner. Shay Carl, eat your heart out. May not be the best spot in the lot, but it's pretty darn good to me. Lambeau Field. Well, isn't this the pits? Do you think I could maybe squeeze my car under that? Is it something about how long you've had the house? Or my parents have had the house? That everything is going to pot on it all at once. How am I gonna get in? I have to do it the old-fashioned way. Go in the door. Much blasted work, I say. The other two got in. It's just mine malfunctioning. Dirty garage. Bad sign.
Well, I just turned it off.
Oh.
It wasn't.
But that light usually stays on.
Yeah.
For...
Yeah.
It appears my garage door has broken.
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding.
I pushed the button and it went up about one of those little joints, a foot or something. And then I pushed it again and it wouldn't move. And then I parked outside and came in through the man door and it went and didn't do anything.
Oh God, no.
Oh, jeez.
What are you G's Louising?
The bird.
Oh, that's what I smell. What did you do? Did you light it on fire?
Yeah. Somebody laid him on the burner. I forgot to turn the burner off. Someone laid him on the burner.
Nice.
That spring is broke, Courtney.
Well, we'll just have to leave him there and let him dry out.
Nice. How was your day?
Good. Boring as usual, but good.
Okay.
No, I don't think your bangs are so short, Court.
I think they're ridiculous. They were shorter last week, and if you notice, they're crooked.
Why don't you have them like she does mine? She nips them crooked. I don't know what they call that. Not
Feathering?
Feathering? Yeah.
I told her to do that.
Oh.
So she cut them blunt, because that makes sense.
Oh. You know, I go to by McDonald's in Howard there.
Uh-huh.
You know, early on in my career, it's not like I've been in my career for 10 years, but early, you know,
It's because I love you.
You don't have to buy me stuff to show you love
money
me.
on Grandpa. What are you doing?
Are you just jealous that I'm not spending it on you?
No, because you need
Sweetheart,
to
did you get extra large for my big dome?
It's one size only for your big dome.
Well, thank you very much, honey. Love ya. I don't want to stick you with my toothpick.
Oh, you know you want to murder me with a toothpick. It's your secret desire.
Get me in.
You're in.
I'm in.
I'm video recording.
Oh, it fits nice.
Good.
Nice cat.
Yeah. Pretend it's for your birthday or
But you
something.
don't? Oh, that's fine. If you say that.
Happy birthday.
No more at the birthday.
Oh, okay. Grandma, that hot pad chef.
Well, I thought maybe I'd cook something different.
Oh yeah, I think maybe spaghetti would be better. What'd you make today?
I made those cute sticks with vinegar.
Mmm. Yum. Can I help you guys? No? Can I help you? What do you want? Food? Always food. Never love. Never affection. Never the doting attention of your mother, just food.
An audition. First audition I've ever had that was like, you know, anything like, is it? It is literally the first audition I've
It's about an hour from lunchtime, and it's the first time that I've left my cave, i.e. work, to go anywhere, and I can tell I've been in there for a while and there's no natural light in there because I came out into the natural light, and as you can see, it's a cloudy day. That's crooked, I know, but here we go. Cloudy day, and it still hurt my eyes. So I'm thinking that that is a good way of saying you haven't been out in the natural light. I don't know what that's a good way of saying, but anyway, going to the grocery store to buy food because I'm sick of fast food. That also says something about my habits. Yeah, I need to eat better.
What is it? What can I do for you? What can I do for you, my boy? What do you want? Do you want spaghetti? I think you do. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Oh, look, you'll sit for it. Will you shake? Oh, of course you will. But I can't give you spaghetti. I can't do it. I can't do it. I would love to. Look at this big boy. Here, tail's wagging. He can't see it very well. You give up? Oh. He farted and then he left. Ah, so we haven't given up yet. So we're gonna try. Don't fart anymore, okay? Okay. You be patient. You're so deaf, you can't hear me.